Hello and welcome. How well do you know the states of matter? Let's go. A learner removes an ice cube from a freezer and leaves it on a table. What change of state takes place? Ice gains heat and changes from a solid into a liquid by melting. Which process changes liquid water into ice? Water loses heat and changes into a solid by freezing. A learner hangs wet clothes outside on a sunny afternoon. Why do the clothes become dry? Heat from the sun changes water on the clothes into water vapor. Water droplets are forming on the outside of a cold bottle. Which change of state is taking place? Through condensation, water vapor in the air cools and changes into tiny liquid droplets. The diagram shows water boiling in a kettle. What process produces the steam? Heat changes liquid water into water vapor. The substance shown changes directly from a solid into a gas. Which process is taking place? During sublimation, a solid changes directly into a gas without first becoming a liquid. Why is milk stored in a refrigerator? Low temperatures slow the growth of bacteria that spoil food. A learner pours melted candle wax into a mold. After some time, it becomes hard. What happened to the wax? As the wax loses heat, it changes from a liquid back into a solid. This process is called solidification. Why do clothes dry faster on a windy day? Moving air carries away water vapor, allowing more water to evaporate. A piece of butter is left near a hot cooker. Why does it begin to flow? Heat changes solid butter into a liquid through the process of melting.
Wow, you made it halfway. Great job. Are you ready for a fun break? Quick fire question. Which country is famous for the pyramids? Egypt is famous for the pyramids. Did you get it right? Tongue twister. Busy buzzing bees build big blue bubbles. Try saying it 3 times without making a mistake or laughing. Did you make it?
Ready for round 2? After cooking, a learner notices water droplets on the inside of a saucepan lid. How were the droplets formed? Steam lost heat when it touched the cool lid and changed back into liquid water. A learner leaves mothballs in a cupboard. After several weeks, they become much smaller without forming a liquid. Which process explains this observation? During sublimation, a solid changes directly into a gas without first becoming a liquid. Water vapor touches a cold window on a rainy day. What happens next? Water vapor loses heat and changes back into liquid water. Why can't solids be compressed easily? The particles in a solid are packed very closely together, leaving almost no space to squeeze them closer. Which change of state requires cooling? Condensation occurs when a gas loses heat and changes into a liquid. Gas changing directly into a solid is called dash. During deposition, a gas changes directly into a solid without becoming a liquid. Why is melting useful in candle making? Melted wax flows easily into molds before cooling and solidifying. How are particles ranged in a solid? Solid particles are packed closely together and only vibrate in place. Which statement describes a liquid? Liquids keep their volume but change shape to fit the container. Which state of matter has particles that are far apart and move freely? Gas particles move freely and spread out to fill any space.
Fantastic effort! Whether you got every question right or learned something new today, you're becoming a better scientist every time you play. See you in the next challenge.